Hey there, my name is Trish. I am a long-time labor and delivery nurse and a online virtual labor nurse slash doula who is passionate about empowering women, teaching women how to embrace their birth experience, to be empowered to advocate for themselves and to love their labor. I'm so excited about this class. And here's why. Inside this free class, I'm going to help you embrace your birth experience, look forward to it by understanding it and confronting those fears. So what I hear from my many students and my hundreds of thousands of followers is this: the unknown of birth is the biggest birth fear. I've done lots of polls. And so this class addresses that fear. We address the fear of the pain of labor, which is also one of the big fears. So I'm gonna give you simple solutions, I'm gonna give you practical tips, and I'm gonna help you flip your mindset so that you love your birth. I'm so excited about this class. I love it. It's my most popular class that I do. It's totally free. If you come and hang out with me and stay to the end, you get a really cool gift. And I'm just super thrilled to hang out with you and be a part of your birth story. So check this class out.